young and purdy. If they ball, it makes it more worthy. If I make it 2C past 30, I'll still be drinking and burning, fucking it up, homie, we ain't learning. Living it daily, failing piss test and my PO gave me. Don't look for reasons, dog, there's no explaining. It may sound crazy, but it's routine. Daily with my new team, 6-siders who bring the streets and how we do things. No 9 to 5, strictly hustles how we survive. On a hot spot, nickel and diamonds keep you supplied. We smoke lies just to get by, keep a dry eye, fuck it while I toke up just to get high. We ride right if the avenue's ours, if not, spark heaters, lap, dogs bark, sinking like shots. End up in a box, 6 feet, but life don't stop. We still do it till the wheels fall off or till we drop. I make my own rules, don't follow yours, stand on my own too. We stay hungry, the streets love me, trust me. They told me things no one can take from me. There's nothing funny when there's business and money, dummy. Catch yourself running out of time, how I'm feeling when coming. Always stunning with a wrist in the deuce. So put loose shoes, always clean, do stuff and walk with a lean. Talk with a gleam, my eyes seen and done everything. We seem to do these bras right, we got them stalking the team. Hawking the cream, but they only get it if they act right. If last night wasn't tight, you get no cash prize. If it smells real funky like it's flashlight, throw her in the shower, make her scrub the cab right. We don't put up with none of this drama. I'ma tell you right now, we're all about the good times. Don't push minds, cause push minds are planning out these hood crimes or crook lies, keeping it these rarely understood minds. I make my own rules, don't follow yours, stand on my own too. Good time loving, we get a folk but got class cousin. Glass dusting, coke, snort, smoke, dip or just guzzling. Got us buzzing, every day dog it ain't nothing. Streets bubbling, gossip stays flowing, can't trust it. All my homeboys doing dirt, just keep getting busted. Busting the goose to county, then dressed in the blues. Yes, we could choose, but for what we expected to lose. Breaking the rules, some of us decked in the jewels. I prefer to be DL, perfecting my moves. Around here it's kinda hard, homie, step in my shoes. Trying to do it right without disrespecting these fools. Still, this is my lifestyle, I'll tell you right now. Do what I do, homie, only cause it's my style. Don't think it's nice now, just cause I might smile. This is my life and I'ma live it till it's lights out.